Hi everybody, Mr. Palmer here, and today I'd like to talk about the insert constraint. So to find that, just make sure you're under Assemble and the Relationships tab, and we're going to go ahead and click on Constraint. Now insert is the fourth constraint down, so we're going to click on that. If you forget, just leave your mouse over it and it'll tell you what's what. Down here as well, I want to point out that there's always some interesting and useful prompts. So make sure you're keeping your eye on that in case you're not quite sure what to do next or what it's looking for, what the program's looking for. There's two solutions to insert. There's opposed and aligned. Now opposed is basically going to have those two surfaces that you select be opposite of one another, and the aligned is going to have them flush. So I'll show you both ways here. When you're selecting your surfaces, make sure that you're selecting it so that the axis is running through the part. So we're going to click on that, and that's with an opposed insert. Now you can offset that if you want and find that that can go up, or if I go in the negative direction, down. So let's take a look at that. So we get that right in there, and that's not moving. Although it is interesting to note that it does spin. That is one of the degrees of freedom that remains. But I'm going to go back and actually edit that constraint so you can see what the other one does. So let's find that peg. We'll right click and edit that constraint, and let's see what align does for us, assuming we have a zero offset. Alright, now just as the preview suggests, that's going to keep those two surfaces flush, but we can add an offset to that as well. So really, you can do it either way, as long as you know what distance you want. If you want it flush though, it's probably best to go with the zero and the aligned. Alright, great, thanks. Have a good day.